actually ended up sliding on my bike. I dumped it. It destroyed this light, scratched up the fairing, scratched up this, scratched all on my exhaust, but it wasn't too bad. However, it is a brand new bike, so I'm a bit bummed. I'll be replacing this fairing. I'll be getting a new exhaust. I need a new brake lever because that was bent way over here. I had to bend it back. I'll be getting flush mount lights, a new mirror, and new levers and stuff. I'm making this video to kind of tell you guys that I'm not going to be uploading for a bit. I'm actually going to put the bike listed under storage, so that way I don't have to pay like $180 for the bike right now, because I pay insurance on it. It's paid off, but insurance is like $180 a month. So yeah, I'm gonna put it listed under storage, and then I'm just gonna basically save up a crap ton of money. I'm gonna get a full set of gear, some better boots and stuff. But yeah. So to explain a little bit about the crash, I was going around a bend and I hit a patch of dirt and the bike just slid right out from underneath me, and yeah, it destroyed my side light. And yeah, so now I need to get a bunch of new stuff. Is that a bone? Oh, that's a bone. But luckily the bike's okay. It didn't mess with the integrity of the bike. It's just a couple plastics. Still a bummer though, I won't lie.